This is Lauren with TMF Apparel USA, and today I'm going to show you how to load the t-shirt platen for the Omni Freejet series printers. This is the standard adult size shirt platen. It's 12.5 by 18. It does have a little rubber gasket in between two pieces of metal here. What you're going to do is take your shirt and lay it across the platen like so. Right? So if I was going to print a chest design, this is how I would set my shirt up. I usually like to line it up right here to where the neckline is, and I know how far away that print is. So if I'm going to print 2 inches off the neckline, I would center it here. I would pull my shirt down, know that my shirt's centered, and then you're going to push in to this little rubber gasket that's here all the way around and work your way down. What you need is a nice smooth surface to print on, like so. You have all this extra shirt kind of hanging off of it. You're going to take it and tuck it up inside the platen like that, right? So this is my tucked shirt on the inside. There's nothing underneath it. That's important because when you put it down here, it needs to be level. So when I set it onto my print bed, the shirt stays level. If you like this video, check out some of the other videos in the TMF Apparel USA playlist. I go over other tips, tricks, and just general information on DTG printing, the printers themselves, and maintenance and repair. Thanks.